Hello everyone. In the series of regional clinical repertory, our next repertory is Uterine Therapeutics by Henry Minton. It was published in the year 1883. Henry Minton is also the editor of Homeopathic Journal of Obstetrics and Disease of Women and Children. The arrangement of this book is based on Therapeutics of Diarrhea by James B. Bell. Now we will see the plan and construction of this book. This book has two parts. First part is remedies and their indications, where the last paragraph under each remedy deals with the constitution and adaptability of the remedy. And medicines are arranged alphabetically in this part. Now part 2 is the repertory part. Towards the end of the book, index has been given. And the sections and the rubrics in the repertory parts are arranged alphabetically. Total number of medicines in this book are 178, and two type of typography are used for gradation: italics and ordinary Roman. Now our next repertory is The Therapeutics of Fever by S.C. Allen. Its first edition came in the year 1879 and second in 1884. It deals with conditions of different types of fever. Now plan and construction. It has three sections. First is principles of the repertory. Second is indications of remedies, which has 147 medicines. This section 3 contains the repertory part. It has three gradations, that is bold, italics and Roman. Now our next repertory is Repertory of Symptoms of Intermittent Fever by William A. Allen. The above was Therapeutics of Fever, and this is Symptoms of Intermittent Fever. Published in the year 1882 at Flushing, New York. Total number of medicines in this repertory is 133. Sources of this repertory are The Therapeutics of Fever, H.C. Allen, Lippe's Repertory, PTPP, Gross on Comparative Mathematica. In this repertory, William A. Allen has used tincture to high potencies as required by the case, but he gave more importance and considered 200 potency as the best adapted potency. He favors remedy administration after the paroxysms of the fever has passed. He also advocates frequent repetitions of the remedies. Now plan and construction of this repertory. It has four main sections. First is chill, heat, sweat and apyrexia. Gradations used are bold, italics and Roman. Now let's revise. So the first repertory we studied is Uterine Therapeutics by Henry Minton, published in the year 1883. He also was the editor of one more book, that is Homeopathic Journal of Ops and Disease of Women and Children. His arrangement of this book is based on Homeopathy, Therapeutic of Diarrhea by James B. Bell. It has two parts. Part 1 contains remedies and indication, and part 2 has repertory part. This book also has index at the end. Total number of medicines. Total medicines is 178. And two type of typography, means two gradations are used, that is italics and ordinary Roman. Now our next repertory is therapeutics of fever. Therapy of fever. Author is S.C. Allen. It has two editions. First came in the year 1879 and second in the year 1884. Plan and construction has three sections. Section 1 contains principles. Section 2 has indication of remedies. Total number of remedies in this are 147. And section 3 is repertory part. Gradations used are bold, italic and Roman. Now we will see next repertory, that is repertory of symptoms of intermittent fever. Repertory of intermittent fever by William A. Allen. It published in the year 1822 in Flushing, New York. Total number of medicines in this are 133. And here Dr. William A. Allen gave importance to 200 potency. Plan and construction of this book are 4 sections. It has 4 sections. Section 1 chill, 2 heat, 3rd sweat, and 4th apyrexia. He also advocates frequent repetition of remedies and administration of the remedy after the paroxysms of fever. Gradations used are bold, italic and Roman, as that of therapy of fever. So these two repertory of fever I have compared side by side, their author, their plan and construction, their publishing dates, etc. Thank you.